It is currently 8:49 in the morning. The weather is just so nice. There's virtually no wind, sun shining. Thought, let me go out and get a flight in. So I ended up at the spot. Ultimately decided to abandon that spot. Was a bit too busy over there, and looks like the tide is in, so it's not a lot of beach to take off. I do, however, have a different spot which I did fly at before, but I got attacked by seagulls. There's a hell of a lot of seagulls at this particular spot, and it's such a nice spot to just come and sit down on the bench over there and fly. So, but I don't know if this camera will pick it up, but there is probably 50-60 seagulls, big ones, around here, and they don't take very kindly to drones. So my next option is going up to Shark Bay and seeing if there's a way or spot there that I can actually go and grab a quick flight. Ultimately, I decided on this spot, Shark Bay. Okay, so those flights went really well. There is a couple of gusts coming through right now. You can feel the wind starting to pick up a little bit, but not really too much. I'm gonna go and check out my other spot, my other favorite spot, which is the Bayview Lookout Point. It's not too far from where I am, and I'm at one of probably my favorite spots to just come and sit down, chill, flying. It's far enough from people. It's never really that busy, and there's a lot of open space in front of you, so you can actually fly a little bit. There's hardly any seagulls here. You're not gonna disturb anybody. Like, this is just a lacquer spot that I just like to come and chill and drop a couple of flights. Damn, I almost just sat down there and there's like water on the benches. That wouldn't have been so cool. The thing is, the wind is starting to pick up slightly now, so I'm not sure. I think I might just head home and then go grab some breakfast. It is currently like almost 10, which means our electricity should be coming back now, because we are in load shedding again. 2025, basically the first load shedding of 2025, second day. Yesterday or last night was the first. It is slightly picking. Yeah, the gust is starting to come a little bit. It's not really that much, nothing that the drone can't manage or can manage. The drone can manage this little bit of gust, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna head home. I'm gonna go grab breakfast. But this is a really nice spot. Check it out. So what I can do to show the spot is I have some footage that I took from the spot, and I'll put like 1 or 2 clips in here. That's pretty much it for my morning drone activities.